Good morning. Here are the headlines for today. VM Financial Group success listing of $11 billion. EU agrees to form committee for reviewing citizenship by investment programs. First BanCorp announces $225 million stock repurchase quarterly cash dividend. VM Financial Group Limited successfully raised 11 billion Jamaican dollars by private placement from accredited investors, resulting in the listing of 3 tranches of a preference shares on the Jamaican Stock Exchange's private market on July 14, 2023, from the raised funds at a listing ceremony held in Kingston, Jamaica. A total of 110 million units of shares were made available to accredited investors at a cost of $100 per share. VM's private market preference shares listing increased the total listing securities on the market of the Jamaican Stock Exchange to 148, with 12 of these securities listed on the Jamaican Stock Exchange private market. The JSE's private market, which was introduced in January 2021, now has 7 companies represented across the hundreds of companies listed on the Jamaican Stock Exchange. To read more on this article, go to jamstockx.com. St. Kitts and Nevis Prime Minister Dr. Terence Drew, who is also the chair of the 9-member Organization of Eastern Caribbean States, announced that the European Union has consented to establish a committee to assess and structure the Citizen by Investment program. The decision came after a significant meeting between Prime Minister Drew and the European representatives during the EU CELAC summit in Brussels this July. In the meeting, a range of concerns concerning the program were discussed, including security issues, potential abuse, and the process of granting citizenship. Addressing these concerns, Prime Minister Drew and the head of the CBI unit, Michael Martin, submitted a comprehensive document outlining the measures taken to bolster the program's integrity and emphasize the strength of the program. To read more on this article written by Ashley Hyde, go to Caribinvestv.com. First BanCorp, the holding company for First Bank Puerto Rico, announced its board of directors approved a pair of capital actions that will take place over the next few months. First, the financial institute announced a new stock repurchase program of up to $225 million on its outstanding common stock that it expects to execute through the end of the third quarter of 2024. It also announced the declaration of quarterly cash dividends of 14 cents per share on outstanding stock, payable to shareholders on record at the closing of business on August 24th. First BanCorp expects to repurchase approximately $150 million of outstanding stocks during the second half of 2023. To read more on this article, go to newsismybusiness.com. One more day and it'll be weekend. This was your Caribinvest headline news to start your day.